Uh-huh.
Okay, so on the heading, I just changed the heading. See the way I did it. You can expand this, but I think we need this space. So once you don't want it to cover everywhere. So just like have it like this. Then the background of this one, you can see you can change the text color. You can also change the background. But let me see. We want to make sure that this is bold. It is bold. So when it's bold, it's definitely going to be bigger. So we still expand it. Then we want to change this one. Okay, let's look for a color first. First of all, let's change the background of our entire text. So click
Okay.
outside here, then go to Format Tools. You see Canva setting, Canva background. You can either
Okay.
use an already saved template, but we want to just use color. So we want to give it a slightly gray color. It's already applied, but here it is transparency is 100, so you reduce the transparency so you can see the color. You see, that's changed. So we want to make it a
Okay.
little bit gray. I think this is okay. Seems we want to use white cards. So we just make the back a little bit. So what is the company color? Maybe we want to say the company color is I don't know, maybe blue or something. But let's try different colors. So we'll come here, you come to effects here. You come to effect and change the color, background color to any color. Maybe let's see if this is fine. Yeah, I think this is okay. Then if this is the case, we may want to change the text color now. This text color can change to maybe we can use this. Then the main text color here can even be white if you want. Can make it white. So good. But I'm not okay with this background color. Can just come change it to, let's say, purple. The company color is purple. Yeah, I think this is fine. Then, then okay, this one can also make it bold. All right, good. So I think I'm fine with what I have here. Then on the cards, or more, your card there, the way you just do them anyhow. So let's bring this one like this. Then let's also bring this one. Tab, 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 tab. All right. So we can now bring our KP, this thing here. We want it to span through the card and this thing. So we want to have it here. Then I want to bring this one. We can reduce this one a bit. Then I want to bring this one. We can reduce it a bit. Good. Then I want it to bring it down. So this is fine. We necessarily do not have to, shadow this one. So she remove the shadow. Fine.
The shadow on the
Mm. So let's arrange the cards. What is this one? I don't know what is this. I'll delete it. You know what you're trying to do there.
which one?
This thing. Mm. Good. So let's work on this card, API card. Okay. We want to leave a little space. Then the card, we want the title to be on top. All right. So you just come here and come to this place. You want to remove this label, first of all. The title is total number of employee. So you remove this label, then go to general, put title, turn on title, then say employee, total employee. That's better. Then we want to put it to the center. Then you want a border, see divider, put a divider there. Put a color, the company color. The company color, I think we use this. That's the company's color. Then the text color should be match this color here. Then you put the text color to match this color that we used here. Is that the color? I think it is this one that we used. Okay, good. So you want it to be bold. No, shouldn't be bold. All right. So do you like it the way it is? I think it
It's
looks
okay.
good. It looks good, yeah. So
How I wish the main dashboard is what you are adjusting. Is the screenshot you are adjusting, right?
This is the
Is the
main work you
screenshot?
sent. I cannot adjust screenshots now. This is the main work you sent me. That your main file. So
okay.
on the, you can also put a border. Just, to do your flex your design ability. You can also put border here. Go to title, effect. The border should be on the effect background. Divide, put a border. So you want to put the color of the border should be the same color. Then you don't want background. You don't want a background. You want a transparent background. Sorry. No.
Do you need to make it transparent?
No, that's not what I want. Then what we want is the this thing, that visual border. Where is the title here? The divider. The title. We want to give the title a background. So I want it to have this background. Then then maybe we don't even want a background at all. Let's see. We don't want any background. Then let's see, maybe we want a border around it. We want a border, visual border. You can put a little round border 10. Just drag this on to 10. All right. I think it's fine. Yeah, so this is what we have. Do you like it this way?
It's okay.
All right.
Then we can, now duplicate it to the others, Abi.
Yes. So we can just bring this on, copy what we have here, put it here. Okay. So the name of this one is ex-employee. So you go to title, ex-employee.
Are you typing it there?
Yes, I'm here now.
Okay.
Then you come here, you go to title. I think let's just duplicate it to all of them first. Put here. Copy again, put here. So here we have ex-employee. This is active employee.
I did a good one. It's just the design, right?
The design, yes, only the design. That's why he said make it more presentable. That's the presentable now. Then this one is the attrition rate. This one. Well, to me, I would say that this is a good work now. So I think I'm very happy though that the guy was able to take time to go through every single person's work. That's quite,
Yes.
that's quite
Yes.
commendable. Because when you load this power, it takes time to load. And he took his time to load everybody's work and then make a comment. It's really quite a good thing. So you can see that the work is already looking good. So because we have this border here, we have to also edit this card. But before let's do it immediately so that we just don't come back to it. So slicer setting, it has to be a drop down, correct? You did a good job. Slicer header, can edit the header education field. So here you want to say filter by education field. Then we want to make it smaller so that they can see everything. Good, 11. Then you want to, that's fine. Maybe the color, you want to change the color to this color, yeah. Then border, I want to give it a border. No, we don't want a border. Background, should the background be white? I think it's okay. But let's see. No, that's not good. We'll have to undo that. Then value, come to value. Pending icon. For the value, border, for the border, we don't want all of this. Let's see. Okay, I think this looks good. Maybe we want to use this one or something else. Then the value should be white. Make it white. Good. I believe you like it this way.
It's okay.
Then maybe we should touch on the border to be a little bit round. We'll come back to setting, go to general, effects, transparency, go to visual border, click on it, then make it a little bit, maybe 10. Make it 10, that's fine. Color should be our company color. So this is what we have. Can click on this, duplicate it here. Everything is the same. But for this one, you have to also format it, change change the name to filter by departments. So you can understand now that this is becoming more descriptive. Even when you're not there, someone can interact with your dashboard. It looks more presentable and all that. So we are done. Let's now arrange this thing. So this one, I think it's by gender. The gender one, that's the first one. Where is your gender? So you can make this
Okay,
one.
the arrangement, does the arrangement has to be
No,
by the question?
no, it doesn't have to be. But just, so this is total number of employee by gender. He did not watch that video, honestly, because he did not
With
even
video.
my video now. How can you leave this value here? Almost. Then let's come to formatting. The x-axis, you don't need this. You don't need this title. You don't need
You know what happened? Eh? I traveled. I finished the work on my other laptop.
Y-axis, you don't need this value here.
Yes,
So
I took it to the farm. So I just I close it with the mind of when I get back home, I will complete the something. I've remove all the title where it's supposed to be, and only to get home, I open it, the thing has disappeared. So hurriedly, I had to do it on my own normal laptop. And if I knew it was going to extend the time, I wouldn't be in any hurry.
Then effects, no, data label. So visual, the data label, you want to have it outside, yes. Data and value. Okay, that's fine. Then I want to the data label, the legends. The legends want to we don't want the title. It is okay like this. So then the slicers, you may want to just touch on the slice, maybe use the company color. One of the colors should be for male, it should be that blue, should be this blue. For female, it should be this. I think this looks good. Okay, for male, let's use this color to make it bright. I think it's okay. Don't you like it this way? I think it's fine now. Then let's bring the next one. Let's say marital status. Okay. Number of employed, number of by age band. So you also want to put this thing here, this border. So you come back here, you want to put come here on the title. You want to put divider, and the color of the divider should be the same. And then you want to also put go to effects. You want to remove the shadow. You don't need the shadow. Visual border, you want to put a border, the same thing, so that it will be the same thing. Then the color is this. So this is what we have. Then here, you want to come here, the y-axis, the x-axis. I think every value there is okay. The y-axis, you don't want the values, but you want to put a data label. So you turn on data label. You want to put it inside. So position should be inside. Good. Then you don't want to do anything again. Everything is fine. The title, you want to number of employee, just employee by age attrition is fine. Then this y-axis, this x-axis, you don't want the values. No, you want the values. You don't want that title. Turn off title. Good. Then, of course, title here, you want border, divider. The divider color should be this company color, and we want the border, a visual border. Go to
Chris.
effects. With a visual border. What did you say, sir?
You said border. What do you mean border? What are you?
Border is this round, this thing now that makes it round.
Oh, okay.
Then the color, you can see that the color is kind of this company color, this
yes,
purple.
So
on the border is to give it this border, this curved sign. If you don't want it, you can remove it. Then
no, it's okay. In fact, when I wanted to do the shape, I was clicking on the other one. I don't know. There's a place that we can really put the curved border, curved one.
There is.
It's okay.
So I think we are okay with this. We'll bring the next one. The next one is
okay. You want to leave the color blue? You want to leave the color blue?
Yeah, that one is fine. Just leave it like that. And here we want to bring in this. So we want to remove this one. We just want to do everything we have here. So you can see that I didn't copy this to here because they are not the same chart. You only
I know.
copy.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay, good.
I got you.
So
like you did for the card.
Then I will have to check the title. Go to title, rename the title. Just make your title as shorter as possible. And make sure it still carries the same message. Employee by marital status. The same thing as total number of employee by marital status. Do you understand?
I'm still going to do it on my own, but the one you are doing, I can submit this.
Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good.
I can submit this.
So finally, we want to do this one. Just want to copy this, put here. Good. So the title is a problem that we want to solve. Go to title, employee by. I think this is okay. So we are done with this. Then we want to do for this one. Bring it here. Expand it down. Monthly rate, monthly income by job role, monthly rate by job role. We want to bring them close to each other. Then these two can now be here. All right. So this one can shift back a little. Well, of course, we're still going to format it. Then this one can come back a bit. And a little. And this one. So let's do the formatting. Start with this one. Come here. In the y-axis. In the y-axis, we need to turn off the value. In the x-axis, we need to do the same. Turn off the value. Then we need to put data label. From here, go to data label. Turn it on. But you want to edit it to be inside. Inside the base. We want it inside the base. Then we want to check the unit. The unit, the value inside, we want to, the unit should be 1,000. It's too long. Let's make it million. But there's nothing like 0.95 million. So let's make it 1,000. All right, this is good. Then what else? I think everything is fine here. So we want to give the title a border, a visual border, a divider, sorry. Then the divider should be the company color and the want to give it effect, go to effect, then give it visual border. The border should be the company color. And then we may want to change Okay. We want to change the bars. We want to change the color of the bars to this. Good. Or even company colors here will not be bad. Okay, good. So, but no, let's not do that yet. We'll do that later when we now.
Hello?
I can hear
How
you.
much? 20,000. Yes, it has entered. Yes.
Okay. So, Mr. Olaleke, me and you were in class and you are making money. You are making
No.
20,000.
It's my wife's shop.
Okay.
About Chris.
Total numbers will come to title. We'll just change the, I think we'll just change this title. This title, change it to employee by, to make it shorter. Good. We do the same thing here. No need of total number of employee. So I may want to change this one. This one has to do with money.
Hello?
This one has to do with money, right? So let's change. It has to do with money. So let's change it to money color. That is usually sales. Sales color is usually so go to bars, go to the bars. Sales color is usually yellow, but let's see how yellow will look on it. Yellow is totally off the color. We want to maintain just these two colors, purple and this one that looks, what's this color? I think orange, something orange.
Orange.
So we want to use this one. Okay, no, let's just use this one for sales, and then the same thing here. Let's use this one. So we are good to go. Let's see how it looks. This is how our dashboard looks. Doesn't it look good to you now?
Yeah, it's okay.
So I think this is
okay. Thank you. The what you sent along with it, does it need the analysis?
The insights.
The insight.
Yeah, if you want to add the insights, you can. What you need to do
Where
now, make sure you rename your page. This is the page. You come here and double click on this page, then just delete this page one. Rename it to HR Analytics.
let me write
the
it
name
there.
of the page.
The name is there.
I've renamed it. Then if you want to put your insights, you create a new page. Come to this new page.
Yes.
Then maybe you want to change the background of this Canva. So you have to go to the visual, go to formatting, go to background, then change the background color of the Canva. It will change. If you reduce this transparency, it will change. But if you don't want to use background, maybe the same company background, this is a company background. You can now write your insight. You can also go to Google and download background. If you want to download background, you come here. You will have downloaded maybe one or two. You just come here. See the one I downloaded, this one. You just add it. See, it has added. If you want to remove it, you remove it and you maintain this color. So if you want to write, just put in your text box, insert text box. This is the text box. You write your insights here. You bring another one, have another insight. So you can have as many insights as you want. Maybe if you have, let's see, can even be just two. These things are very easy to do. So let's say this one too. Just 2 or 3 insights is even enough. Have another one. And that's all. You have another one here. That's all. So you just copy those insights or just write your own insight. So how do you get insight? You rename this one. Are you still with me?
Yes, of course.
You rename this one to insight. How do you get your insight? It's very simple. In your main dashboard here, from there, you now get insight. So the insight, there are so many insights here that you can get. You can just say, okay, you can, because by just looking at that data set of this project, you don't know anything. You don't even know the total number of employees, right? So, but here now, from your analysis, you have seen that the total number of employees is 1,470. So one of your insights can be that the total number of employees 170, 1,470. Ex-employees, these four things now are four different insights. From this one now, you can say, okay, we have total number of 588 female. That's about 40% of the total number of employee. And the 60% of the total number of employee is female. So we have 40% male, 60% female. So we have more female working for this organization. That's an insight. From here, you can also, these are all insights. So you just, pick out 1 or 2, 3 things and write here. That's all. So I don't know.
I
Just
appreciate
if there's any question, let me just ask so that I can.
So far, I will, as it is, I will send it. Then I will work on, follow, just help me send the recording to me, so that I will follow it and fine tune the one that I have here. But this one that you just help me did, forward it to me so that I will